Welcome to the ultimate guide to the top 5 robot lawn mowers of 2023. Transforming your yard with smart technology. Today, I'll explore the best robot lawn mowers available in the market and how they can help you achieve a perfectly manicured lawn with minimal effort. Let's start with the benefits of robot lawn mowers. Say goodbye to tedious hours spent pushing a heavy mower. These smart machines autonomously navigate your lawn, cutting grass efficiently and evenly. They are programmable and can work quietly day or night, rain or shine. No more worrying about scheduling mowing sessions. When it comes to choosing the right robot lawn mower, consider the size of your lawn. Models with larger cutting decks are perfect for bigger yards, while smaller ones are ideal for compact spaces. So why not sit back, relax, and let technology do the hard work for you? You will find the price of each in the description below. Coming in at number 5. This amazing machine does all the work for you, effortlessly gliding across your lawn, mowing it to perfection. No need to lift a finger. With its advanced artificial intelligence, it navigates your yard on its own, using its sensors to avoid obstacles and stay within boundaries. It's like having your very own mini landscaping partner. The Landroid S is designed for efficiency and convenience. Its 20 volts battery provides enough power for up to 1/4 acre of lawn, and with its 2.0 watt capacity, you can expect it to run for a good amount of time before needing a recharge. Plus, it comes with an intuitive interface that allows you to easily customize its mowing schedule and settings. But what really sets the Worx Landroid S apart from other robotic mowers is its patented AI technology. This stands for Artificial Intelligence Algorithm, and it ensures that every inch of your lawn is perfectly mowed. No more missed spots or uneven patches. This mower considers the size and shape of your lawn, making sure every corner receives equal attention. And let's not forget about safety. The Landroid S has built-in safety features to protect your loved ones, pets, and itself. Its ultrasonic sensors detect objects in its vicinity, while its tilt and lift sensors automatically stop the spinning blades if the mower is lifted or tilted. Peace of mind is guaranteed. Cleaning and maintenance are also a breeze. The Landroid S is designed with modular construction, making it easy to access and clean the blades. And if you ever encounter any issues, Worx provides excellent customer support to assist you along the way. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to traditional mowing and hello to a perfectly manicured lawn without effort, moving on to number 4. It's the ultimate time-saving solution for your lawn. Say goodbye to tedious lawn mowing and hello to effortless perfection. The GARDENA 15001-41 SILENO City is designed to give you a beautifully manicured lawn without any hassle. This cutting-edge robotic lawn mower is equipped with state-of-the-art technology that ensures superior cutting performance. Its powerful motor effortlessly moves through your lawn, leaving a pristine finish behind. With its silent operation, the GARDENA 15001-41 SILENO City won't disturb you or your neighbors. You can now enjoy a tranquil atmosphere while letting this robotic marvel take care of your lawn. Setting up this automated mower is a breeze. Simply lay down the boundary wire and let the mower do the rest. Its intelligent navigation system ensures that every inch of your lawn is covered, ensuring an even cut every time. Moreover, the SILENO City comes with a rain sensor, ensuring that it adapts to changing weather conditions. Rain or shine, your lawn will remain beautifully maintained. Its built-in lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting performance, ensuring that even larger lawns are effortlessly taken care of. And when the battery runs low, the SILENO City returns to its charging station automatically, hassle-free and convenient. This robotic lawn mower is not only efficient but also safe. It features a lift and tilt sensor, stopping the blades immediately, ensuring the safety of your family and pets. At number 3. With its advanced technology and intelligent design, the Husqvarna Automower 415X takes care of your lawn so you don't have to. Simply set it up, and let it do the work for you. This robotic mower not only cuts grass efficiently but also navigates through complex terrains, slopes, and narrow passages effortlessly. It adapts to your lawn's shape and size, ensuring every corner is beautifully manicured. Equipped with razor-sharp blades, the Automower 415X ensures a precise and even cut every time. No more uneven patches or missed spots. But what sets this robot mower apart is its unmatched convenience. Thanks to its silent operation and weather resistance, the Automower 415X can work day or night, rain or shine. And with its automatic charging system, it always keeps itself powered up and ready to go. And don't worry about safety. The Husqvarna Automower 415X is equipped with a range of safety features to protect your loved ones and pets. It comes with an anti-collision system that detects obstacles and adjusts its path accordingly. With the Automower Connect app, you can control the 415X remotely from your smartphone. Schedule mowing times, adjust cutting heights, and monitor its progress, all at the touch of a button. Next up at number 2. Let's start off by talking about its design. This sleek and compact mower is equipped with all-wheel drive technology, allowing it to navigate through any terrains and slopes with ease. No more worrying about uneven surfaces in your yard. The Luba AWD 5000 features advanced sensors that detect obstacles in its path, ensuring a safe mowing experience. Plus, its intelligent navigation system accurately maps out your lawn, so you can sit back, relax, and let it do all the hard work. Now, let's move on to performance. With its powerful cutting blades and adjustable cutting heights, this robotic mower delivers precise and consistent results every time. Whether you have a small lawn or a vast landscape, the Luba AWD 5000 has got you covered. One of the standout features of this mower is its ability to handle multiple zones. You can easily set up virtual boundaries using the accompanying app, and the Luba AWD 5000 will automatically mow each zone separately. It's a time-saving and convenient feature that ensures your entire lawn is perfectly maintained. And what about the noise level? Well, you'll be pleasantly surprised. The Luba AWD 5000 operates quietly, so you won't disturb your neighbors while it's working its magic. And finally, the top pick for 2023 is the Husqvarna Automower 430XH Robotic Lawn Mower. Are you tired of spending hours mowing your lawn and maintaining your yard? Introducing the Husqvarna Automower 430XH Robotic Lawn Mower, the ultimate yard maintenance wonder. This innovative robotic mower takes the hassle out of lawn care and leaves you with a beautiful, pristine lawn without lifting a finger. The Husqvarna Automower 430XH features advanced navigation technology that allows it to efficiently and effortlessly maneuver around your yard. Equipped with smart sensors, it seamlessly detects obstacles, adjusts its cutting pattern, and even works in rain or shine, ensuring that it will always get the job done. Forget about noisy, gas-powered mowers that pollute the environment. The Husqvarna Automower 430XH is electric and emission-free, making it eco-friendly and a perfect choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. With its cutting-edge technology, this robotic mower can handle yards up to 0.8 acres with ease. Its razor-sharp blades continually cut your grass to the perfect height, resulting in a more luscious and healthier lawn. The unique cutting system also ensures a consistent and even finish every time. One of the standout features of the Husqvarna Automower 430XH is its convenient smartphone app. With just a few taps, you can easily set up a mowing schedule, adjust cutting height, and even track its progress remotely. It offers flexibility and control right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did.